Hello and welcome to cryptocurrency. Let's talk about altcoins. So, yesterday we saw Ripple overtake Bitcoin Cash. However, today Bitcoin Cash is now on top of Ripple. But we still do have Ripple over Litecoin, which it has sustained since yesterday. Litecoin is doing quite a bit of growth today at 9%. Ripple has fallen 11% yesterday after reaching all-time highs. That's no surprise there. People cashing out after making those huge gains yesterday. And Ethereum is falling a little bit, not that huge of a deal, under 1%. But let's talk about Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Today it has arrived in the Bloomberg terminals, which means that Bloomberg has now accepted these as something that is worth looking into. So that gives more credibility to Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. I think that this shows confidence in these altcoins. And I think that Bloomberg Terminal is now hosting Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. It will get more exposure, and I wouldn't be surprised if the price continued rising for all three of these. Especially Litecoin has gotten a lot of growth recently. December 6th, today is the 15th, so a little over a week ago, the Litecoin Foundation released a video promoting Litecoin, saying that it had a $6 billion market cap, and that is here to stay. And we can see over here, a little over 1 week, the market cap is at $16 billion. So already, after a little more than a week, the whole video is just outdated. The market cap is larger. It also said that Litecoin had about 2,000% growth this year. That is that is wildly out of proportion now. Litecoin at the beginning of this year was $4, and now it is $300, which is much larger than 2,000%. So I'm pretty optimistic that that's going to climb higher. Ripple has a lot of credibility. In case you haven't seen yesterday's video, it has a lot of partnerships with banks, including American Express, and it has backers like Google. So there's a lot of tech companies and fintech companies that are interested in Ripple, and I think that that kind of confidence by the industry is going to reflect in the price and add consumer confidence. And with Ethereum, we saw CryptoKitties, and upcoming is Crypto Puppies. If you aren't familiar with CryptoKitties is the most popular Ethereum app, and a lot of people use it to breed cats. Some people sell it for over $110,000 for a virtual cat, and uses Ethereum as cryptocurrency, as kind of money in the game. CryptoKitties made the headlines a few days ago because its large user base put a lot of pressure on the Ethereum network. And you can look at that in one of two ways. You can either look at it in, wow, Ethereum isn't that sustainable if an app about cats is able to put that much pressure on the network. Or you can look at it as, look at all this demand for Ethereum. And remember that Ethereum is something that can be tweaked and worked on, so maybe they'll come up with more efficient solutions on how to handle something with the demand of CryptoKitties, and I have faith that Vitalik will be able to find that. And with that, the way I see it is that there's a lot of demand for the product. The product is early, but I think it's fixable, and I really think that Ethereum has something really amazing that is going on. I think that with the release of CryptoKitties, with all that demand from people that had never heard of Ethereum wanting to play this cats game, or new, more fun applications of Ethereum, I think that while CryptoKitties has given a little bit of doubt in the Ethereum network, it's definitely pushed Ethereum into the public eye. And I think that that is important for people to get on board with Ethereum, for developers to start developing apps on Ethereum. The more public something is for the cryptocurrency world, the better it's going to fare, and I wouldn't be surprised if that rose as well. While Bitcoin Cash has been around since August 2017, I do think it's still too early to discern how it's going to be doing in the future. I do think it's too early to talk about Bitcoin Cash. I think it's a little bit deceptive how they're using Bitcoin.com as their website. and trying to flagship that as the real Bitcoin, because a lot of people are going to be getting into Bitcoin for the first time this past month and into the future because it's becoming a mainstream thing. And cryptocurrency in the past does not have the best reputation, and I don't think that having Bitcoin.com as the website that is promoting Bitcoin Cash is necessarily the right step for either cryptocurrency or Bitcoin Cash itself. I think it's deceptive, and I don't know if Roger Ver, as the leader for Bitcoin Cash, is going to make it sustainable in the long run. But for right now, it is pretty profitable to get on the train, as it is the number 3 in market cap. So, whatever you think about Bitcoin Cash, I'll leave it up to you. So, how do you think Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, and Litecoin are going to perform in the future? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time on Cryptocurrency.